It's Renee, and I know I'm looking weird, know I'm looking crazy, but I wanted to show you this new style that I'm doing. I'm trying to do more natural styles, and I wanted to look like my natural hair. I have a bunch of my natural hair left out because I wanted to look more natural. Summertime is coming, and I wanted to try something different. Also, I like the hair. I like how it looked on one of the YouTubers. I'm going to list her name down below because I don't remember her YouTube channel, but she was like totally dope and amazing. So this is the hair that I had, Xpressions, and it's called Springy Afro Twist, and it's right here. I got the color too because my hair is a dark brown. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm just going to twirl around so you can see my braid pattern. And this is how I braided my hair. Let you see. So these little braids that's left out on the side is the hair that I'm actually going to leave out. And I started doing it, then I was like, let me make a video and stop playing. So this is how it looks. I'm doing the invisible, I'm trying to do the invisible method, crochet method all around here. So I'm going to do it all around at the base of the braid that's first. So when I put it up in a ponytail, when I put it up in different styles, you'll be able to, it will blend in better. So I'm going to start doing that. And I'm going to show you how I do it too. Okay. So I have my piece. So when I was going around the border of my head, I actually take smaller pieces because I want to do the invisible method. I want it to look as natural as possible. So you see this braid right here? I take it, I put it in the hoop, close it, pull it through. I take one piece and I pull it through. So sometimes people do it twice. And there we go. Sometimes people do it twice. I personally am not doing it twice because this hair is not like straight hair. It has a kinky texture. It's like literally just like my natural hair. Like, it's not even funny. Like literally like my natural hair when it's not in a wash and go. So it doesn't have the tight curls and stuff, but it has that like my texture hair. That's all I can think of. So what I do is I go around the border. So I go in again. So let me tell y'all something, right? When y'all doing this, I hurt myself. So here's the tricky thing, right? Make sure this is closed, this little latch, because if it's not, it really hurts. I ain't gonna even hold y'all or act like it's on, because it hurts when it's not latched and I'm pulling it through. It kind of feel like it's scraping. So make sure when you're pulling it through, just to get the loop through, make sure it's closed. So I'm just starting on this side so y'all can see what I'm doing. Let me actually bring this up. Alright. Let's see. Taking my thin pieces, making sure my loop is closed. Even though sometimes it open up once you get past it, but I'd rather it open up once I get past it than pretty much that. And I just keep going around the border. So usually this part takes the longest for me because I'm doing it smaller. It's not larger pieces. So this usually takes the longest for me. And then once you complete the border and you start filling in the middle part, it should go really fast. So basically, I bought this hair because I want to treat it like it's my hair. I'm going to do braid outs, twist outs. I'm going to do everything on this hair and just have my loop. I'm going to have my leave out, just try to make sure I moisturize it. I won't be putting much heat on my leave out. I don't think, if any at all, I don't think it will be necessary. You know? So, hope y'all can see that. And I only have one pack because one pack is all I bought. And I only bought one pack because the person I watched do hers, she had one pack and it was nice and full. I did, however, order a second pack, but it's not here yet. So I ordered it off Amazon. It was nice and easy. Shipping was really fast and it was like $11.99. So if I could do my hair with one pack for $11.99, and I think it's because it was on Amazon, it was that much. If you could find it at your local beauty supply store, you might be in luck. Find it for $5.99. Who knows? Depending on the beauty supply store. To be honest. But I'll tell you what, I'm 4A. But with my hair stretched out, my curls look just like this. So when I throw it up in a puff, because I don't think I'm going to do a braid out today. Only because I know once I'm done with this, I'm not going to feel like planting it up and doing all that. It's just not going to happen. I'm probably going to throw it in a puff and call it a night. Unless I have like the time and I'm just sitting there and I feel like it. But I'm probably not. I'm not going to even lie and act like I'm going to braid it tonight. I will come back on camera though and probably do it on camera how I plan to do my braid out. Some people dip the hair in water and stuff like that. I'm probably not going to do that because I feel like I don't want to, because what if I accidentally dip my hair in hot water? I'm really going to have me some heat damage, you know? So it come in like 3 lot pieces. And I'm hoping that one lot piece goes around my edges nicely. And then the 3 other lot pieces I'll use to put in the middle. And I think I'll be good with that. And like I moisturize my hair. And what I will do is if I'm wearing my hair out, I'm probably going to braid up. Hold on in the soap, y'all. If I'm wearing my hair out and my braids won't show, I'll probably leave these braids. I have to take out these 3. And this one probably, these 5. But like the ones in the back, I probably will leave braided because my hair is out and it's just not necessary for the braids to be unraveled. Now, if I wear it in a high puff, it'll be different. Then I would take the braids out because it would need to be out. But yes, so I'm taking smaller pieces, going around my edges, and I'm probably gonna speed it up. I just wanted to do the front for y'all so y'all can see how I'm doing it. And like, I don't know about y'all, but It literally, to me, looked like it's growing out of my scalp. Like, this method, you can't even tell. Like, you really can't even tell. It's so dope to me. So, whoever came up with the invisible method, shout out to y'all. I don't know who came out with it, but shout out to ya. Shout out to ya. Shout out to ya. Okay, hi everybody. How you guys doing? So, it's the next day. Last night I got tired. I was playing games with my family. I did not feel like finishing my hair. So, I just want to be clear before I move on. You gotta be real careful with this. I know I'm gonna have to be real careful with taking this out because of the fact that I did individual all around pretty much, and taking it out is going to be tricky. So you want to make sure you really take your time when you're taking it out, especially if you're doing individual. I'm probably just gonna cut it short, make sure I'm not cutting out of my hair, and like cut it real short so I could just remove it. But mind you, I do want to also bring out that I didn't even do the middle. This is literally just all around the borders of my hair. Like, I literally did not do, like, I have a braid in here that I did not touch. Like, I did not put anything on. I just put hair along the edges because I did make a side part. I don't have no hair in here. Like, none back here. Like, literally. Like, this hair is just really, really thick. And literally, it looks so natural. Like, I'm actually pretty excited. Like, I'm pretty excited. Because, like, I be wanting to wear my hair like this. But what happened was, my afro might start out like this, but with the humidity and everything that goes on, it won't last. But I know with this, it will. So I'm going to jump into basically cutting off the straggly ends. I'm going to use this Love Me 5-in-1 leave-in conditioner. Let's see if I could get it to, because I had this for a while and I really don't like it for my hair, so I'm gonna use it on my I'm gonna use it on this hair. And I have some extreme wet line gel. I'm actually gonna input it with the braid when I do my little braids and stuff, because I'm actually gonna do a braid out, and I'm pretty excited. But I am gonna fill in the middle. I'm gonna put like a couple of pieces in there because I don't want it to be judged. What if the wind blow? The wind blow and all you're gonna see is this. So I have, and it comes in like 3 little bundles, and I have 1 more bundle left. Hi everybody, how you guys doing? So this is just a ending part of the video. It actually got deleted, so I had to re-record it. I just wanted to let everybody know I love the hair. I appreciate you watching. This is such a natural, cute style. I feel like it's classy. I don't care what no one say about the natural hair community. I feel like I just love it. It gives me just this boost, and I just feel so confident. I absolutely love the hair. I hope you guys like it, and I hope you guys like and subscribe. I hope you guys have an amazing day and you're staying corona free. Love you guys. Bye bye.